Super Buzzsaw. Take it. None in the same row. Unbelievable. Hats. No hats. Hats. Oh, yeah. That's a dream spin right there. Let's do that every time. Hats. Bailed me out. Let's go. This is for elbows, this one. Nobody cares about $4.80. I want hats. I don't need hats and mansions. That's a retrade. Do I have my first mansion? 2 mansions. Oh, beautiful. Blank ones. Alright, I'll take it. I got 2 more spins. Give me last spin, let's go. Give me a retrigger. Oh, that looks like crap. Line pays $16.50. 1, 2, 3, 4 mansions. Come on, Mr. Wolfie. Do this for Al so he can go to bed. And be happy for his friend. Alright, that's about $45. We're over $175. How about $1,000? Oh, that's $200. Oh, what a tease. $375 plus $16.50. $392.